Are amphibians and frogs really disappearing, or you are undercounting?
First of all, thank you, Pallav. Thank you, Pallav, for hosting me on your polk.com. This is wonderful. Yes. So when I started, this was, I think, way back in 1998. I started my journey from being a bird watcher and turning into a frog person, looking at frogs. At that point in time, I was feeling that there's no need for doing anything. You just watch frogs because they are plenty. And a plenty for a science student is not with the word, it's with the number. But at that point in time, I still remember I was a first student of science in my master's degrees kind of thing. We used to record those numbers and all. As I progressed and did my PhD, and when I saw for the first time in 2004, when the first global amphibian assessment came and I had submitted my thesis, it also said there's an high issue, frogs being disappearing from the world. And at that point in time, they said that it's 1/3 of the species that were declining. And we were also just sensing that there is something happening with respect to amphibians and frogs. And when I say amphibians and frogs, I'm taking here a liberty to switch over between amphibians and frogs. Amphibians, in fact, is a larger umbrella term where you have three orders within that. One as frogs and toads, other one as salamanders, and the third one as caecilians. These are the three orders within amphibians, but we can have this switchover kind of stuff when we talk about it. So that happened in 2004. That's again the landmark paper Stewart et al. Has published in 2004, which said 1/3 of species are declining. Moving forward, in the last 20 years, we didn't do much with regard to estimating the population because India was looking at number of discoveries. So if I put it, the total number at present, which is about 465 or so, that one or two numbers are still variable kind of thing. But at the time of my writing thesis, which was in 2002, I wrote India has around 220 species. That means we are, in the last 20 years, doubled our number of species being in India. It is not related that frogs have just evolved in the last 20 years. It is clearly an indication that science has started probing further. And the new age students who started working in this field started asking more questions.